again, everyone. This is Alhizza once again, and it's our second day in Baler. And we're staying here at Mrs.Jones Coast, um, facing the Pacific Ocean. There, the shore where we are staying for the next 2 days. Our first day yesterday. And you see, the sun is now starting to shine here at the coast of Baler along the Pacific Ocean, and the water is quite turbulent. That's why you have to be very careful, because this coast is adjacent to the Pacific Ocean. That's why the current of the water is quite stronger than the other coasts in the Philippines. And you see that particular mountain is adjacent to the Sierra Madre mountain range there. It's quite long. It's one of the longest mountain range in the Philippines. And you see the waves quite stronger. So nice. Look at the sun. It's started to shine. See? It's good here. But the sand is quite dark. It's not just like in Boracay that the sand is white. Here, it's darker. But this is very natural, and have not been affected yet by much of the commercialism. The soil is still very natural, and the place landscape is still natural. You see, the waves here are quite stronger. That's why this place is very good for surfing. But for swimming, well, a little bit dangerous, especially it's high tide. That's why here in this studio, this particular resort, there's a pool so that you can enjoy swimming. Nice. See you again next vlog.